afraid of low viewers in your videos, this particular video is for you, because in this video I'm going to show you two strategical way for you to know when your viewers or your audience are around in this YouTube. Number first way to get it is for you to create a lot of content. Let me say, create like 4 or 5 content. You post in the morning, you post in the afternoon, you post in the night. Try and find that you'll get more viewers around this period of a time. Another way to know when your viewers are normally around on YouTube, that one to be a practical class. Let's get into it. Okay, go to your YouTube Studio app, click on analysis. I don't know if you are seeing it very well, but I will be saying it so that you understand what I'm saying. You go to your audience, then you scroll up. You will see when your viewers are normally on YouTube, then you click on it. Here, by 12 a.m. and 6 p.m., they don't normally come online, but you see by this 12 p.m. and 6 p.m., that's when my viewers are around. Check it, go and check your own now. So this is the analysis of mine, the age that watches. If you check very well, all ages watches my videos, both male and female, geographically area, Nigeria, Kenya, a lot of people watches my video. So if you go to your analysis, you will find out how people are watching your videos. Go now and check it, and you will now understand how and when to post your video. If you watch to this point, I know by now you will understand how to check yours and when to post your videos. Secondly, if you check it and you don't have it, that means you are not being posting constantly. The only reason you will see it on your YouTube Studio app is when you post constantly. That's when they will create it for you. The other of my account, I don't have it because that one I don't post constantly. For you to see your audience normally come around on YouTube to watch videos is for you to post constantly. If you start posting constantly, morning, afternoon, night, YouTube will definitely bring it out for you to check. So that's all. It's very simple. If you watch to this extent, please hit the subscribe button for more videos.